Hello everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and in today's video we are going to talk about cross join. Okay, so let's start. So let me write it down. Why do we need cross join? So and what it is going to do. So it will take values from a certain table and connect them with values from the tables we want to join it with. So in cross join, what happens that if we are working on two tables and we are using cross join on that, so it will take all the values from one table and it is going to, we can say, join it with all the records that is present in the another table. Okay. So like if I say it in a simple way, how it is going to happen. So if we take an example of inner join. So inner join connects only the matching values, we can see, right? Whereas cross join connects all the values, not just those that match. Okay, so it is just going to connect all the values. So in general term, we can say it is going to give the Cartesian product. So we can write it is the Cartesian product of the values of two or more sets. Okay. So what's the meaning of this? The meaning is, let's see, if I have a table and I have another table, and on this I want to apply cross join. Okay, I want to apply cross join. Let's say in table number 1, this one, we have 5 records, and in this we have 6. So if we are going to apply cross join, what is going to happen? It will take the first record and it will connect it with all the records that is present in the second table. If it is table A and this is table A, so it will take the first record of table A and it is going to connect it with all the records of table B. Okay, so one is going to connect it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 of table B. And similarly for all the records. Like for this 2, again it is going to connect with all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of table B. For 3 also, 4 also, 5 also. So how many records we are going to get in total? So for one record, we are connecting it with 6 records. So for 5 records, we are going to connect it with again 6 records. So all those 5 records are going to connect it with 6 records present in the another table. So total number of records are going to be 30. Okay. So what we are getting the Cartesian product, like multiplication of the number of rows or we can say records in both the tables. Okay. Now the question is, why do we need to do cross check? Okay. So we can see it is useful when the tables present in a database are not well connected and we cannot get some kind of information or we want to see some kind of relation. Okay. And yeah, but the tables are not giving you much information. Then we can apply cross join to see some kind of relation that is going on between the tables. Okay. So yeah, this is all about cross join. Now we are going to go on a workbench and we will see the practical implementation. From there only we'll understand what is the way of writing it, like the syntax part and everything. It's not that tough. So let me start. So let me open my workbench quickly. Okay. So what I will do, I will use two tables. One is departments and second is department manager. So first of all, let me show you the structure of those two tables. So I'll write select star from departments, order by department number. Okay, let me execute. Yeah. So we in this table we have 9 departments from department 1 till department 9 with their department name. Okay. Now let me show you the second table structure, which is department manager table. Okay, so department manager. Now let me execute this. In this, what do we have? In this, we have 24 rows. As you can see, in departments table, we have 9. In department manager, we have 24 records. You can see it here. For every, in this, the employee number are different, but departments are repeating, right? Because different employees can work in the same department. That is why. As you can see, employee number 110022 and 110039, they're working in the same department. Okay, like this. So in this we have 24 records. Now what do we want to do? We want to apply cross join on these two tables. So let's see what's the way of writing. Let me close this output section so that we will have enough space. So I will write down select. I will choose the column names later. So let's continue with the joining part. Then I will write from department manager. We give the A's, which is the M. What do we want to do? We want to do cross join with what? Cross join with departments. Alias is D. In this, we do not need to mention the on part. Why? Because we are not extracting some common records on the basis of certain column or something like that. We are just joining all the records present in two tables. Okay, but we can apply order by clause here so that it will be easy for us to understand. So I will be ordering it by, let me write down that I will be extracting all the columns, okay, of these two tables, all the columns. And I will order it by, let's say, from DM, which is department manager. I will order it by employees because they are distinct. And for every employee, after it is going to order by employee number, then I will order it by department number of departments table. Okay, fine. I think this will work. We give a space here. Let's brush this and let me execute this. Okay, so see how many rows we get. We get 26 rows returned. Why? Because every employee, okay, so we have this employee. Every employee is getting connected with all the departments. So every employee of department manager table is getting connected with all the department which is present in departments table. Okay, so we have 9 unique departments in department table. So that is why every employee is going to be connected with all those 9 departments. Okay, I hope you are getting it. And see, we saw that 110022 is working in department 1. So this employee get connected with all of these departments that is present in departments table. And this, from here to here, it is from department manager. From here to here, it is from departments table. Okay. Similarly, 110039 was also working in a department 1. Okay. So again, it is going to be connected with all the departments present in departments table. 110039. Let me show you. Yeah. Yeah. See, it is connected with all the departments. That is from department 1 till department 9. 110039. Right. So, and yeah, it is same for every other employee. And how we can verify that? Because we know that 24 times 9 is 216. So that means every record that is present in department manager table is, we can say attached with all the records of departments table. Okay. So this is how we use cross join. Now, there is different way of writing cross join. So it is going to give us the same answer, but let me just show you how to do that. So I will be copying this only. And let me paste it here. What we need to do, we need to remove this keyword and we need to put a comma here. That's it. Let me execute. And see, we get same records, right? Still, every employee is connected with all the departments which is present in departments table. Okay. Now, so there is some other way also. let me show you that also, but this is not a good method, but still let me show you. So in this, what do? We do it with inner join. Okay, we do it with inner join. Let me show you. So again, it is a cross join because we have not mentioned the on part in this. So that is why it's not a good way of writing, because when we write on inner join, it is expected to mention the on part. So it's better to use cross join if you are doing cross join. Okay, so it's not preferable to do. But still, yeah, you can see we are getting same records. Okay, again. Now, other than this, what we can learn more. Let's say you want to apply some conditions on this, some condition on it. So now let's first try to understand what type of condition we can apply. So let me execute the table. Okay, let me execute the table. Let me do this. Let me paste the correct way. Yeah, this is, and then I will going to execute this one because we are going to apply the condition on this one. So what I want to do, I already know that this employee is working in department 1. Okay, so I do not want to connect it with the same department which is present in departments table. Okay, if department number of department manager table and department number of departments table is going to match for any employee, it is not going to connect it with that. Okay, so 110022 and 110039 will not be connected, will not get connected with department 1. Just like that, let's say we have this department employee number, which is 110085. This employee is working in department 2. So it will not get connected with department 2 of departments table. Other than that, it is going to connect with all the departments. Let me show you what I'm talking about so that you can understand more. So I'm going to put a condition here that connect all the records of department manager with departments where for every employee we can say from department table and department manager table, department number is not matching. Okay, so now let me execute this and let me show you. So see, we get 192 records only. And as you can see now, the employee number 110022, which is who is working in department 1, is not connected with department 1. This employee is connected with all the other departments. Okay, just like this, let me show you one employee who is in other than department 1, 110085. Okay, so 110085, this is working in department 2. So see, this employee is not connected with department 2. Other than that, it is connected with every other department. Okay, so this is how we can apply the condition to extract certain type of data. Okay, so this is all about cross join. What other we can talk about, like what other things? So okay, let me show you one more thing, like how to apply inner join and cross join together. Okay, let's do this. So I will be writing select. I will select the columns later. First, let me just write down. So I will write down select. Okay, let me do this. Let me just paste what I already copied, or let me just copy this one because I will include the condition part also, and let me paste it here. So what I will say that let me change this because I will be and put it here. And let me do this and put it here. So it is department T. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do inner join on department manager table and employees table. Let me show you the structure of employees table so that you can understand. Yeah, select star from employees. Okay, let me show you the structure of this. So in this we have columns like it is going to take some time. Yeah, we have columns like employee number, birthday, first name, last name, gender, and hierarchy. So if you remember in department manager table also we have this employee number. So that is why I'm using department manager employees table to do inner join, because we need one column that is having same type of records, right? But in departments table we have only department number and department name. So I cannot connect departments table with employees table. Okay, I hope you are getting this. So I will go down here and I will write that do inner join, or we can simply write join because it has the same meaning, where employees A on what? On DM dot employee number is equal to E dot employee number. So what it will do? It will extract all the common employees, right? Because we are joining it on the basis of employee number. So it is going to extract all the employees number which is common in both the tables. Okay, so and now what do you want to do? We want to do this, that we want to cross join these two tables, which we already know what are the result, what is the result, and then from that record we are doing the inner join. So whatever we are going to get from here, it will extract only those employees that is common. Okay, so from here we can change this, that I want to see the details of those employees. And again, the same condition is applied, that it will not be connected with the department in which the employees already work. So let me show you this, how this is going to look like. Yeah, so we get 192 records. Okay, because we have 192 common employees, not 192 common employees obviously, because employees are repeating. We have few employees common in department manager table and employees table. So we did cross join and then we extracted the common employees. So we get same number of records. Okay. And these are the details of those employees, like employee number, birth date, and see, this is same. Like for each employee, where the employee number is same, the detail is also going to be same. That is not going to differ, right? We hide it also. And it is connected with all the departments other than the department in which the employee is already working. Okay, so that is why it is not connected with department 1 and the name of that department. And it is same for every other employee. Okay, so this is how we can apply cross join with inner join, or you can apply different type of joins on different tables. Okay, so this is all about cross join. I hope you have understood this, but still if you get any question, do let me know in the comments, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today's class. So I'm going to end it here. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.